This is the mobile phone used by Bill Gates and the new Tesla phone by Elon Musk. Known as one of the richest and most prolific inventors in the world, as well as the creator and the owner of one of the most successful companies of recent times, everyone would expect Bill Gates to be one of those people who are inclined to use their own company's products, right? And what about Elon Musk and the new phone he's looking to launch for his company Tesla? Will the model meet all the features that have been revealed so far? Is it so strange that a man like Bill Gates opted for a model from the competition? What attributes does this cell phone have which makes it so special in the eyes of a veteran as he is? It's time to review the characteristics of the cell phone. But before moving on to it, first, everything that Bill Gates said about the phone will be analyzed. Who knows, one might find the reasons for his choice among his words. It's time to learn more about Bill Gates' new choice concerning cell phones. Bill Gates' new cell phone. Being known as one of the most resourceful people in the world, Bill Gates is aware that his life is a topic that several fans and technology professionals consult continuously. It is what allows him to run a good number of successful businesses, in addition to being the creator and co-founder of Microsoft. His habits, tastes, and choices are a reason for imitation, and even some people seek to justify these options, trying to understand the reason for them. For this reason, when a few days ago the issue of Bill Gates' new mobile phone came to light, there was no lack of people who began to speculate about his decision, while some people theorized what the model chosen by the businessman would be. The result? A phone that many people did not expect, and that created several questions towards the entrepreneur, while many asked themselves the same question: why that mobile and not another? What is so special about it? Just because of this. It is not an iPhone, and we're not talking about a cell phone of his own company. The cell phone that took the honor of being the one chosen by Bill Gates was neither more nor less than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. A cell phone from the competition. Yes, the choice of Bill Gates was quite a stir among his followers, since although the model was an excellent example of Korean design and engineering, many expected to see the computer tycoon with a model of his own company, such as the Surface Duo 2. There were even people who, they ensure, would finally approach Apple, its eternal rival, to give one of their devices a chance. That was not the case, and in the end, Bill shelled out over $1,000 on a foldable phone, which is every multitasker's golden dream. Although Microsoft has a similar model with the face of the Surface Duo 2, the entrepreneur gave reasons to explain the reason for his selection, in one of the Reddit threads that, as it is known, he likes to visit and answer to from time to time. What did he say to his followers? Something that some knew, but that most didn't know about the phone. Why did he choose that Samsung model? When one of Reddit's users questioned Gates about the phone model he had bought, he answered the following: I have an Android Galaxy Z Fold 3. I've tried and I continue trying different ones, but with this screen I can get by with just a great laptop PC and phone. I don't need anything else. These words did not take long to cause a stir among the people who were in the AMA, the Ask Me Anything, of Reddit, since several knew about the Surface Duo 2 model of Microsoft, and they didn't explain why the founder of the company had chosen a phone from the competition over the devices of his own company. Of course, if we check in a general way any of the accessories of the phone, we can say that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 scores several points above the competition. We're not only talking about a folding cell phone, which, in its full screen version, has a similar view to the one used in Microsoft devices. It also has an enviable processor, an S Pen that provides the precision and speed that many are looking for, and a dynamic AMO LED screen that provides sharp and professional quality images. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a machine that displays power, efficiency, and elegance. That is the reason why it's one of Samsung's most expensive and best valued models. Having that in mind, the choice of Bill is a little bit more justified. However, some people have also theorized that, thanks to the close relationship that both companies have, Bill Gates' decision is not entirely one-sided. Whatever the reason that led him to opt for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, there's no doubt that the phone has all that is needed in a mobile and much more. And speaking of phones, it's time to know about another model, which, although little is known, has been talked about in recent months, thanks to everything that's been revealed about it. But first, if you arrived at this part and you're enjoying today's content, why don't you leave your like so that the video can be recommended to more people? That way, others can come and explore the different videos that we have on our channel. Got that thumbs up ready? Because it's time to continue. Tesla's new phone by Elon Musk. Let's move from one cell phone to another, and this time, The model belongs to one of the most recognized figures in the world of technology. Elon Musk has stood out in recent years thanks to his achievements and the technological advances he's achieved with his various companies. Some of the most famous are SpaceX and Tesla, two international companies that have revolutionized the space and automotive world respectively. It seemed that the genius behind these companies would only focus on certain branches of technology. So when the announcement came that he was looking to venture into the section of cell phone area, many people could not hide their surprise at the decision. Why did he want to launch a cell phone belonging to the Tesla brand? How was it different from other high-end phones? We will answer those and other questions, but before doing so, it should be clear that the Tesla Model Pi was created as the direct competition of Apple's iPhone. When it was designed, it wasn't expected to outshine other companies or multitasking models, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 seen in the previous section. What he is looking for with the Pi is to get the sales that Apple has thanks to the iPhone. Although Elon has not made a presentation to announce the Tesla Model Pi, experts and professionals have said that due to its appearance and what it promises, the phone could operate with innovative technology of the latest generation. That said, it's time to learn more about the Tesla Model Pi, the cell phone that is planned to receive connection even on Mars, thanks to its attachments, courtesy of Starlink and the high-speed satellite internet network that Elon Musk's products have. The Tesla Model Pi, a cell phone from another world. As far as is known of the Tesla Model Pi, a whole series of discrete panels and modules were added to the mobile design, which will allow the equipment to be charged in various ways, including exposure to sunlight. That's right, the phone can be charged with solar energy, something that has not yet been seen in other cell phones, although various companies have already shown their interest in this technology. With a few hours of exposure to sunlight, the Tesla Model Pi will allow users to enjoy hours and hours of operation. If this data is fulfilled, it will revolutionize the phone market as we know it. Another addition that stands out for its appearance and functions is the fact that the device will have the ability to be linked to the Starlink satellite network. For those who do not know this network, it belongs to another of the companies created by Elon Musk, and it was created to provide a low latency internet network and wide coverage worldwide. Therefore, if the Tesla Model Pi has a chance to have access to a global satellite, your internet network is sure to be one of the most enviable on the market. Finally, those familiar with Musk's work know that the entrepreneur is determined to take people to Mars, and his efforts have been paying off in recent years. Because of that, and thinking that, in the not so distant future, the first colonies could begin to appear on the neighboring planet, the company added to the Tesla Model Pi a special connection that will be able to link users on Mars with those on Earth. Not only that, they would also benefit from high-speed internet, even on the red planet. How much will the Tesla Model Pi cost? With that cutting-edge technology and added accessories, the experts guess that the price of the Tesla Model Pi will not be a joke. And can we blame the company? If everything it promises comes true, the phone will become one of the most complete and innovative in the market, so we could say that it's a price that could not be less than €1,000. Of course, that figure is an approximate, since not having an official announcement by Tesla or Elon Musk himself, one can only speculate the cost, the way of marketing, and even the rest of the features that will be included in the cell phone. For now, that's all the information we have regarding Tesla Model Pi, but we'll continue to report when more data is revealed. And with that last fact, today's video is finished. Now that everyone knows more about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and what the Tesla Model Pi might include, it's time for you to comment. Would you like to have any of these mobile phones? What features would you take advantage in both teams, and which do you think that are not very useful? Do you prefer Android models, or do you think Apple's better? Comments on the video, and if you would like to have a specific topic discussed on the channel, feel free to leave your suggestions below. Thanks for watching the video.